I actually don't think any of my Republican colleagues could explain how this war ends. Apparently, a worse regime, more provocative to the region, more adversarial to U.S. interests, will remain in charge of Iran when we decide to stop bombing. Estimates are that they will be able to rebuild their missile and drone capability in months after we declare an end to the hostilities. The nuclear program will still be there because you can't bomb out of existence either knowledge or the fissile material that is buried deep under the earth. So at the end of this, we're going to have raised prices for everybody here. We're going to have cost a lot of American lives. We're going to have set on fire the region. By the way, a new war, already having killed 1,000 people, is breaking out between Israel and Lebanon. And Iran is going to be more dangerous, not less dangerous at the end. We need to debate this in our committees, on the Senate floor.